Today about the price of Bitcoin. And yes, guys, I have a big warning for everyone who is now in Bitcoin. Not only for Bitcoin owners, but for the entire cryptocurrency space. What is happening with Bitcoin now has not happened for about 6.5, 7 years. Every time this happened with Bitcoin, what happened today, we saw an incredible, insane movement of Bitcoin. And it wasn't up. This is what I can tell you. This warning is serious. Let's go straight to the content. And if you like these videos, no matter where I am, no matter what I'm doing, this is the most important message I've had for you in a long time. If you appreciate this, hit the like button. I have to share something with you that may not be the most bullish. So here you can see now that the weekly candle is ready to close. And what we have been seeing here over the past few weeks, and I want to make this very simple, especially these short videos, sometimes much more important than long ones. What we can see here is something unique, and now let me finish, guys. Let me finish before you say anything. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a total of 8 green candles in a row. You can say, hey, yes. So what? So let me show you the last time in 1.5 cycles, and you can check it yourself. We never had this. We never had this in 2023. There was not in 2022. There was not in 2021 and in previous years. In fact, the last time we had 8 consecutive green candles was in 2017. What happened then? Well, let me show you. Just after 8 candles in a row were lit, Bitcoin fell by 40%. And let me come back here. When this happened, it was 2016. We are talking about more than 7 years ago right here, where we had 8 consecutive green candles. What happened then? Well, 40% down towards the downside. You could go further back, but there is, I think, another example. And the same thing happened every time. Now the question is, what will happen now, tomorrow, on Monday? Probably at the moment when you start watching this video, the 9th candle starts. Will it be green again? Maybe. But what you need to understand, ladies and gentlemen, the higher Bitcoin rises without a correction. The more green candles we put in a row without correction, the more inevitable the correction becomes. And now, at this very moment, right now, I'm telling you, a drop becomes more likely than a pump. And yes, I'm in my long position. $3.2 million in profit, $360,000 in Ethereum trading. In total, we are talking about $3.6 million on both of these deals. I'm not closing it, although I'm telling you right now that the correction is becoming more likely than a pump, because I'm in a long-term deal. But what I'm telling you is that the correction always comes. We never go up in a straight line forever. It's a bull market. Don't get me wrong. The higher we go, the more likely a correction becomes. You must be prepared. We always get corrections during bull markets, and I think it's quite possible that we're going down again for another test, 30 to 32,000 US dollars, 33,000 US dollars. These areas here are a possible scenario. If you are selling your Bitcoin right now, expecting $32,000 for lower prices, you are still at risk of being left out. Nobody guarantees you these correction levels, but I'm telling you it's possible. Weak hands always get shaken out. Be careful, be prepared, expect the unexpected. But also know that we are in a bull market and expect the pump to work and keep working when possible. Thank you very much for watching. It was an important warning. I hope you understood it correctly. I'm not telling you that we are 100% going to drop. I'm not telling you that we are 100% going down to 32,000. We'll see you very soon in the next show. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.